Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name is Karen and today I'm here to show you how to construct the Enchanted Bouquet Favour Box die set. So this is a really simple construction. You don't really need me to show you this, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'll fetch the die set in to show you what I've cut. So I have literally just taken this die. I have cut it twice. You can add, oh, there it is. You can add detail in using these dies here, where you've got an option for the different front of the box. You've got the same side, so that matches in with both. And you can add that in or you can layer it on top. You've seen lots of our samples just to give you an idea of that. So I've cut two of those, and I've also cut, where is my die? It is here. I've cut this as well. Have I? No, I've cut this. I thought that wasn't the one I'd cut. So there is that. I've cut this as well, and that has given me my wings there. Okay, let's put that to one side. So you can see the die set. You can see what I've cut. I've got the two wings there as well. So that's what that gave me. Give me two of those. Very simple to do. Take your bone folder, just give it a little curve. You don't need to curve it much, it just needs just teasing into position so that you get that nice curve on the finished box. So I did it with my second one as well. Just a little run over with that bone folder. And this is just to show you how quick this can be, because this could be your finished box. If you want. I've used speciality card just to show you that.
Basically you're cheating.
I am cheating, I am, but I wanted to show you how quickly these could be made for batch making, for batch cutting. So if you were going to make these and you didn't want to put the pattern on them, I mean, we give you the pattern on every die set we do. So you can use it or don't use it. It's entirely up to you. It all depends what your finished project is going to look like. So that is that's it, basically. That's your box. So you then bring these sides up and pop these across. But because you're going to be, when you pull those up and open that out, you've got the white of the inside of the cardstock. So I have cut these with that die there, and I'm just going to pop, I haven't even changed my glasses. This is how little construction I'm showing you today. I can even see these with my normal glasses on. So I'm just going to pop one on there, just to cover that, and one on the other side to cover that one.
I'm impressed you're managing this without your proper
I know.
glasses.
I know. I have got them and everything.
Nice chunky borders. So.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking. I didn't have to change them. So there you go. There is your little layer on top of that. So just sandwich them together, slide them through, and you can see it's got a nice deep slit there for you to be able to pull that right across. So if you're having trouble, just push the box down, because you've got that curve to be able to do that. And then he pops back and you've got your nice little, no decoration, favour box. But if you were making 100 of those, that's how easy they can be. Perfect. I hope this has helped you today. Thank you very much for joining me. Happy crafting!